It's like a game where every level that you move to, you're equipped with something very useful for the next level.
For our online degree, it's kind of a cascading approach. So if you get a lecture, baked into that will be prompts that will get you actually doing things. And then through discussion boards and workshops, you're building off of those. Each component is working towards your final assignment.
With asynchronous learning within Brightspace modules, you can learn at your own pace anytime and anywhere around the world.
We also do live material.
The piece that I'm going to share is a short story, and this is like the first short story that I've ever written.
Our online students have access to the Adobe Creative Suite.
Things are recorded so we can go back and watch the video if you can't fully remember what you were doing in class.
Using the library facilities online was absolutely great.
I think people are really keen to be just as engaged.
We form like kind of a group and we like constantly messaging each other.
You still feel connected.
I have a she's now 3-year-old daughter who I just love the fact that I can be able to study and be able to still see her.
The online students have opportunities to be involved in everything that we do on the degree.
Getting involved in the Bournemouth Writing Festival was such a pleasure, and it was so much fun to kind of get an insight into just kind of seeing the little kids' brains working.
Online students work on all of our publications.
Brad very kindly asked me to be the assistant poetry editor, liaising if we needed to do any copy editing, if they were okay with the layout, if they wanted to include quotes and what kind of names they'd want to be under, or like all of that was just so useful. That really, really like amazing for my CV.